Is your engine feeling sluggish, or are you noticing a drop in fuel economy along with that annoying check engine light? If you scan your vehicle and pulled the code P0084, stick around because we're going to break down exactly what this means and how to fix it. This code stands for Exhaust Valve Control Solenoid Circuit Bank 2. Basically, this is a generic powertrain code that applies to most vehicles made since 1996. It specifically relates to your variable valve timing, or VVT system. The engine control module, known as the ECM, tries to adjust your camshaft position by regulating engine oil flow through a control solenoid. It sends a command using a pulse width modulated signal, or PWM. When the computer sees that the voltage signal is out of spec or intermittent, it triggers this code. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1, so you will want to check your manufacturer's specs to be sure which side you are working on. Usually, you will find this solenoid on the exhaust manifold side of the cylinder head. Symptoms often include poor acceleration and wasted gas. Now, let us get into the causes. It could be a poor connection in the wire harness, corroded terminals, a faulty solenoid, or a short to power or ground. To diagnose this, you're going to need a digital volt-ohm meter, or DVOM. Start by checking the harness. Look for loose wires or corrosion. Unplug the connector from the solenoid and the PCM. Set your meter to ohms and check the resistance between the ends of the wire. You want to see around 1 ohm or less. If you get an over-limit reading, you have an open circuit. Next, check the solenoid itself. With the harness unplugged, check the resistance across the solenoid terminals. If it is out of spec, the solenoid is bad. You also need to check for a short to power. With the meter set to volts, connect the negative lead to a good ground and the positive lead to the solenoid wire. If you see voltage, you have a short. If the wiring and solenoid are good, you might need to use an advanced scan tool to monitor the duty cycle while the engine is running. If the signal does not match the command, or if there is no signal, you might have a rare fault with the ECM itself. If all this electrical testing sounds a bit out of your depth, that is the right time to call in a professional mechanic. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.